What kind of YouTube channels make the most money? This is one of the most crucial questions you should ask yourself before starting your YouTube channel, because there are channels that make a lot of money and there are other channels that struggle to make profits. Why is this so? Because there are different kinds of content that YouTube rewards more than the others. I'll explain why this happens later on in this video, but first of all, I need you to know that choosing a YouTube niche is very, very important, especially if you want to make profits from your YouTube channel. And today in this video, I'm going to be showing you the top 10 most profitable YouTube niches that make the most money. So you should consider these top 10 niches when you're starting your own YouTube channel, especially if your goal is to build a business and to earn in dollars from your YouTube channel. My name is Favour Kemjii Okoro, and you are welcome to this channel. On this channel, I teach you about passive income, digital products, digital marketing, and generally how to make money online with ease, even if you have zero capital to start. Now, I always recommend starting a YouTube channel because it's one of the easiest ways you can earn in dollars by simply setting up your camera and sharing your knowledge with the world. But it's not that easy because there are a lot of people who have YouTube channels who even have thousands of subscribers, but they struggle to see a few dollars every month. There are people that go 3 months, 4 months, 5 months, 6 months before they get a pay from YouTube. Other people who get paid every single month in hundreds and thousands of dollars. The difference is the kind of content that they are creating. There are different kinds of content you can create on YouTube. While it's okay for you to say, oh, let me follow my passion. I'm passionate about makeup. I'm passionate about fashion. I'm passionate about this and that. It's okay for you to say that and follow your passion. But please, always be careful to check if your passion is profitable, because you might get frustrated when you keep creating content around your passion, but you're not seeing the results that you want. So please, if you want to start a YouTube channel, consider starting them in any of these top 10 high-paying YouTube niches. Are you ready? Get straight into it. Let me explain the concept of high-paying niches. Now, there's something on YouTube that is called CPM. I'm sure you've heard people say it before. It's called cost per mile. Now, this is how much advertisers are willing to pay for 1,000 views on their ads. One of the major ways YouTube makes money on their platform is through adverts. I'm sure you've seen adverts while watching this video and while watching other YouTube videos. There's another key point on YouTube ads that is called RPM. This is revenue per mile. You should know the difference between CPM and RPM. Now, CPM is how much the advertiser is willing to pay for 1,000 views on his or her advert. Now, that CPM, let's say that CPM is $10, right? YouTube will take that share out of the CPM and give you your own share out of it. So that your own share is called RPM, your revenue per mile. So that's how much you will make for 1,000 people that view that ad on your channel. Do you get it now? So you can know how much you're likely to earn on YouTube when you know how much average CPM for that niche, for that industry, or for those kind of content that you're willing to create. So I'm going to tell you the average CPM for different niches so you can estimate how much you're going to earn in any of these niches. Are you ready? So I'm going to start from number 10, and we're going to go from 10 to 1 in ascending order. High-paying YouTube niche number 10. We have motivational and spiritual content. This one has to do with Christian content, Islamic content, different kinds of religious content, as well as motivational speeches, right? So any content or any channel that falls into any of these niches is one of the top 10 most profitable niches, and it's actually number 10. The CPM is around $2.5 to $4. So if you have a channel that shares gospel content, prayer content, meditation content, and all of that, you are likely to make more profits because you are among the top 10 most profitable niches. So in profitable niche number 9, we have beauty and makeup. So if your content or your topics revolve around teaching people makeup tutorials, how to do their makeup, how to style their hair, skincare tips, anything that relates to beauty and makeup, you are in top 10 profitable and high paying YouTube niches. So if you're interested and passionate about sharing beauty tips, skincare tips, hair care tips, self-care tips in general for people to look good, look more beautiful, makeup tutorials, makeup kits to buy, and all of that, then you are most likely going to be making lots of profit because companies and brands in that area are also going to be willing to pay you as much as $3 per 1,000 views on their ads. So you can see that this is among the top 10 profitable niches. Number 8 is fashion and try on hauls. There are lots of channels like this where they teach you how to combine your clothes, how to style your outfits, how to wear better clothes that fit you, how to take care of your clothes, your outfits, your shoes, your bags, your accessories, and all of that. So these channels fall into this niche of fashion and try on hauls. And the CPM is around $3.13. So you can create a channel that helps people solve fashion issues, even fashion critic channels. There are channels where they criticize fashion styles. There's a channel like Kiki TV, there's a channel like Chantel. These channels come out and they just talk about different people's outfits. They're like fashion police, right? And they talk about the outfit, what the person should have done better with their hair, their shoe, their accessories, all of that. So these are channels that belong to this fashion and try on hauls. Now you can niche down further to find a sub niche that actually you can focus on. For example, in this fashion niche, you can focus on just accessories or clothes or shoes, right? It's still there, but then your niching down actually helps the YouTube algorithm to understand your channel better and show it to people that are most likely to watch, engage, and share. On number 7, we have lifestyle. Now, this is a very popular kind of content on YouTube, on Instagram, and generally social media. Lifestyle content is basically people showing you their life, a day in their life. Maybe they are traveling, or a college student just showing you how she goes to school, how she prepares her food for school, how she dresses up, and all of that. So this is lifestyle. This is what most people like to start from. The CPM is quite high. It's $3.47 averagely. So these are content that basically just tell about your life story, or you going on a vacation, you're attending a wedding, you're saying, get ready with me to attend the wedding, or come with me to my sister's wedding, and all of that. So these are basically lifestyle content. This content actually attracts a lot of people, especially young people who just like to be entertained and who want to just have a glimpse into your life and what you're doing. This works best for people who already have built a reasonable following on other social media platforms. For example, you built a following on Instagram and people are saying, oh, create a YouTube channel, and you don't know what to create channel about, or you don't know what to create content about. You start a lifestyle channel on YouTube where you just talk about a day in your life, where you just come out and answer frequently asked questions about yourself and all of that. If you're just starting out and you want to do lifestyle, it might be difficult for you to break out because, well, at that stage nobody knows you and nobody is basically interested in your life, because that's not a question that people are asking at the moment. So I would honestly recommend that you don't start a lifestyle channel except you've built a reasonable amount of following and fan base on other social media platforms that you can easily take them to and say, okay, you guys have been asking me what I use for my face. You guys have been asking me how I spend my day, or how I make money, or how I do this. Come and join me on YouTube. Let me take you around my house. Let me show you how I dress up and all of that. So that will work well, because it will not be difficult at all for you to grow. It will not be difficult at all for you to get followers, and it will not be difficult at all for you to get a reasonable fan base. I hope you understand. Okay, in number 6, we have ASMR. I've forgotten what this means, but actually it has something to do with sensory evaluation and, sounds in general. So you see channels that have sounds like, okay, this sound will help you fall asleep. This sound will help you relax. This sound will fix your depression. So all those sounds, all those cool sounds, or even some like, okay, this sound will help you have fun, feel lively, feel excited. There are channels like that that have this kind of sounds, and then that's all they do on those channels, right? This is another profitable niche. The CPM here is around $3.5. If you're somebody who is good with music, good with sound, you can just mix sounds together and create them for a YouTube channel, and you can actually make profits for it. This is top 6, so you should try it. On number 5, we have tech, cars, and gadgets. This is one of my favorites. If I had the money, honestly, I would have started a channel on this. What do these people do? They review tech products. They review products like phones, laptops, tablets. They even review cars. They review gadgets. This channel or this niche is very capital intensive. If you don't have the money, permit me to say, no near them. Don't do it, because you actually have to purchase these products. You have to invest in them. I don't know if you follow someone like Fisayo and some of these other tech guys. They buy these phones just to review the phone. Let's say iPhone just launches iPhone 17. These guys will have to buy the iPhone 17 in the different brands, and they come on live and then start talking about the phone. Oh, the camera is this, the storage is this and that. No, they talk about these tech gadgets. One thing about these kind of channels is that aside from YouTube paying you, you have the opportunity to sign lots of amazing brand collaboration deals. One of the things that this niche is actually, why you should consider this niche, is that it affects not just YouTube payments, but also it affects your target audience, and it affects the kind of brands that you attract. So if you want to attract brands that are in a specific niche, you need to create content in that niche. This kind of content has the potential of going viral very fast, because people come to YouTube most times to check about phones that they want to buy. I did that before I got my recent phone. I had to go into and say, okay, reviews on this phone. I want to see how this phone works. I want to see what people have to say about the phone before I pay for it. So a lot of people come to YouTube to check these things. And so this kind of content can get millions of views very fast. The best part is that the CPM is around $7.3. Did you see the spike? We went from around 3.5 to 7.3. From 6 to 5, we added about $4. The others were struggling with $3, $3, 3.3 points. But once we got to number 5, we see that it went from 3 to 7. So I think you should focus on the first 5 very importantly, because these guys have very, very high CPM. But like I said, if you do not have money to invest into starting a tech channel, please leave it alone, because there is no other way you can do it without actually getting this product and investing in it. Top profitable niche number 4, and we have education. Yes, so if you can teach people anything, whether you're teaching adults or you're teaching children, you can actually have a profitable YouTube channel, which I wonder why most school teachers are not taking advantage of this. Whatever it is you're teaching children in that school, you can teach them on a YouTube channel. Is it phonics? Is it language? Is it mathematics? Is it physics? Is it presentation? Is it how to speak? These things are things that can actually go viral, and not just go viral, pay you very well on YouTube. The CPM is quite high, and you can also attract brands that are into education, child learning, children toys, and all of that. So you can create content that teaches children or adults. There are lots of YouTube channels like this that teach people different things, that help them get more information, help them pass their exams, help them scale up, help them get certifications, and lots more. CPM is around $9.89. 9.89. The educational YouTube channel is among the top 10 profitable, high-paying niches on YouTube that you should consider starting a channel around. Number 3, we have personal finance. Personal finance. So this particular channel helps people to manage, keep, and invest their money. It teaches people how to save their money. It teaches them how to manage their money. It teaches them how to budget. It teaches them how to invest profitably. So these are channels that maybe talk about crypto, stock trading, forex trading, investment platforms, and all of that. So these are the kind of channels that we're talking about. So like I said earlier, you can actually niche down, and instead of just talking about personal finance in general, your channel could be niche down to talking about just crypto trading, how people can use crypto trading to multiply their income. Yours can just be all about savings, how to save in dollars, how to save in naira, how to save your money and make sure it does not get devaluated despite the state of the economy. So these are some of the topics that are involved in personal finance, and personal finance is number 3 with a crazy CPM of $12. $12. So personal finance is a great way to start your YouTube channel. It's a great topic to create content around. And guess what? You'll also be attracting brands that are in this niche. Brands like Bamboo, Piggyvest, and all these brands that are into savings, investments, crypto trading, and lots more. And these brands are also willing to pay big. All right, so that's number 3. Number 2, we have digital marketing. Isn't that amazing? As a digital marketing professional, I'm so excited about this particular one. So this deals with helping people sell and market their products using digital platforms like social media, Google, search engines, and lots more. So you can actually niche down, because digital marketing is quite broad. So you can also niche down in your channel. Your channel could just talk about social media marketing or SEO or Google advertising. I know a channel that is focused on just Facebook advertising, and he gets millions of views on his videos, right? So you can niche down to a particular topic. But digital marketing is number 2 highest paying YouTube niche. So you should actually consider finding a way to align your business or align your YouTube channel to this topic. Guess what the CPM is? The CPM is around $12.52. Isn't that amazing? Yes, so that's why it's number 2. Drum rolls for number 1. Who wants to hear what number 1 is? I'm excited. Are you excited? Before I tell you what number 1 is, if you've not subscribed to this channel, make sure you subscribe. And if you love this video so far, if it's making sense, please give the video a like, thumbs up, give it a like, give it a thumbs up at this moment, and drop a comment. Let me know which of these topics you're going to be creating your YouTube channel around. I might be able to help you for that if you like. So just drop a comment and let me know. I'll be in the comments, I'll be reading, and I'll be replying. So the number 1 most profitable YouTube niche is make money online. This one is popularly called MMO. A lot of people are looking for ways to make money online, add an extra stream of income to themselves, or how to get themselves out of poverty and all of that. So people are typing how to make money online with my phone, how to make money online as a student, how to make money online from the US, and different kinds of questions. It's something people are constantly searching for, and it has a CPM of $13.52, quite high. So people are always searching for how to make money online. And advertisers are also willing to pay more for putting ads on this kind of topics, which is why if your channel is around making money online, you're most likely to go viral and also make lots of profit from your channel. And you're also likely to attract brands that are in these niches. So guess what? Make money online is one of the most profitable niches. In fact, it's number one on the list. And if you create a channel around this, you can niche down. Of course, you can teach people how to make money from businesses. You can teach them how to make money from their career. You can teach them to make money from forex. You can teach them how to make money from affiliate marketing. Many subtopics you can bring out of this. There are many sub niches that you can bring out of this to create your channel around. But so I have told you the top 10 most profitable YouTube niches, and I honestly recommend that you try and align your passion to any of these top 10 topics if you really want to make profits from starting a YouTube channel. So find a way you can align your channel, align your topic to these niches. Now let me tell you something, there are always exceptions to every rule. So you might find people who are that are not in these niches, but then they still make lots of profit. There are exceptions. It does not mean that the rule is not valid. It is still valid. So just to be on the safe side, try and see how you can align your passion, your skill, your topic to this top high paying YouTube niches. Now, if this video made any sense to you, please give it a thumbs up, please comment, and most importantly, copy the link and share to your friends on WhatsApp, Instagram story, Facebook, anywhere possible. Please share this video. So if you want me to show you step by step how you can start a highly profitable YouTube channel today, the skills, the techniques, the strategies that you need, all you need to get is my YouTube launch blueprint, and it's currently on pre-order from now to the end of this week at a crazy 60% discount. To get it, I'm going to put the link in the description. This blueprint will show you everything step by step you need to know about launching a profitable YouTube channel today. So don't miss this offer. It's disappearing very soon. Click on the link you're going to see in the description to pre-order this blueprint right away. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to comment your favorite YouTube topic and the one you're most likely to start, and let me read from you. I love you, and I'll see you next time. Bye.